Hi friends, today I would like to explain Python program. So in this Python program, the question is write a program to count number of characters in the string, and we take the one variable and value. It's called st equal to Python. Python is the value, st is the variable. So we should solve this problem by using Python and without using inbuilt function. We take one variable and it's called count equal to 0, and in this problem we can use the for loop concepts. Okay, so take for I in st and count equal to count plus 1 and print of count here. So for I in st means in this I value is assigning to the st. So first st and Python is the value, and from coming I, first I means it's a p, and in this p it is counting like count equal to count plus 1 means we are using the debugging, if you understand well purpose. So first was the character p, so first take the p and here what is the value, I mean count plus 1. What is the count value? 0. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, how much? 1. So it is assigning for the count. And take the second I value. What is the second I value? Y. So previously how much is the count value? 1. So 1 plus 1, how much? 2. So it is assigning to this count. So the count value is 2. Then after next I value, what is the I value? T. So next T. So previously already count value is 2. So now use the 2 plus 1, how much? 3. Okay. Then next what is the I value? H. So already previously the count value is how much? 3, and 3 plus 1, how much? 4. Okay, so the H is done. Next what is the I value? O. So previously the count value is 4, so 4 plus 1, how much? 5. 4 plus 1, how much? 5. Then coming to next I value, what is the I value? N. So N. So next previous, then what is the count value here? 5. So 5 plus 1, how much? 6. 5 plus 1, how much? 6. So after coming there is no characters, so then it will go for the next line. What is the next line? Print statements. Print of count. This count is printing now. So the finally what is the count value? 6. So the characters will be 6. That is a problem, guys, and thank you for supporting, and like and subscribe if you want more problems like this. Keep on watching these videos. Thank you guys. Bye.